In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Then click on those squares at the top right corners to select multiple ones right away. If you wish to exclude some of your pictures, click on the chosen one that you wish to keep, and to delete the rest, hit delete at the bottom. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!